Imagine this. You're in the 1700s. You and your family are in the Russian city of Koningsberg, where there's a famous puzzle. There are 7 bridges connecting 4 islands. People come from far and wide to try and cross all the bridges exactly once, without repeats. Here's a simplified version of the puzzle. These are the 7 bridges. As for the rules, you can start at any island. You must cross every bridge exactly once, with no repeats. You can pause the video now if you'd like to try it for yourself. But before we give you the answer, here's a bunch of skaters trying it themselves.
Always one that makes you
After 20 minutes of attempts, they had no luck, but they were starting to get suspicious.
Is it possible?
Who knows?
Yeah, see, I don't like that answer. I don't think he could do it. He was real quiet on that one. He was real quiet. Right?
And they're right.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it's unsolvable.
You're right.
Let's go!
There's no solution.
Income president does it again, man.
Of course, skaters are excited to fail. To further simplify the problem, we will represent the islands as nodes and the bridges as edges. We can categorize each node by how many edges it has. If they have an even number of edges, we can call them an even node, and if they have an odd number of edges, we can call them an odd node. Considering even nodes, we can call them pass-through nodes. This is because for every connection used to step into the node, there's another paired connection for you to step off the node with. However, with odd nodes, there's always an extra connection that will not have a pair. So if you haven't started on it, you must end on it, and vice versa. Using these ideas, we can solve any of these types of problems. Applying it to the Koningsberg problem, we can see that every node is an odd node. Therefore, to complete the problem, you would have to either start or end on every single node, which is obviously impossible. As for another example, here you're supposed to draw this house shape without lifting your pen off the paper. Similarly, we can categorize the corners of the houses as nodes. We see that there are 2 odd edges on the bottom and the rest are even. So you simply have to start on one of the odd nodes and then end on the other one to complete the problem. To summarize, count the number of connections of each node. If there are more than 2 odd nodes, it's impossible. Otherwise, make connections so that you start and end at odd nodes. So, if you ever find yourself in the past in Koningsberg, you know you don't have to waste your time.